Good day mga Kabayan Techers! This is your The Kabayan Tech, and today it's another part of our Mail Day Thursday. We're going to review some of the things that I got from the mail. Let's start! Welcome! Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is just to be safe, we're going to use a goggle for this this session that we have, and also a cut resistance glove. So the one that I received from the mail, I actually ordered it from HCQS. I'm going to share you the link and I asked their permission. I'm not getting anything from them. I just wanted to share the link on where did I get the parts that I have right now. So I have a broken iPhone 8. So it's currently stripped down already. I don't need this one anymore, but the back glass is intact. So we have the glass pen breaker, and then I also received this one also on the mail. So you might notice before my previous videos, I just use a box just to wedge the phone not to move. So we're going to actually use finally a holder for it. Okay, again, these are the ones that are you may or you may not use, you may or may not buy. But I find this one very useful for me. So this one that holds the actual phone, so we put the phone here, and then all you have to do is to tighten it up. Okay, we do the top portion first, and then so yeah, there we go. And then this one, let's see if it will hold, because my phone is bent, so I guess we need to tighten the screws on this part. Okay, a friend of mine suggested that I could buy like a clamp that I could use to clamp this one here and clamp it on my table here so that they don't move, right? So first thing is this one, this pen. Again, I have no idea on how to use this, but let's try. So I didn't buy a laser machine yet. One is because I need more money for it. So I saw this video from different websites. Shout out to everybody, and also HCQS. So they demoed this one, and it seems like it's somewhat pretty easy. So I think this one, if you turn it towards you, this would be a little bit softer, not that really hard. So let's try it and do it here. So it says here that you just have to push it down and see what will happen. Okay, and it worked out fine. So let me just unscrew it more. Probably that will be like, and then I'm going to do it here. So it's easier, especially if, for example, the phone that you're fixing doesn't have any damages on the other area. You could essentially make that damage. See here? And there we go. So let's see the back portion on how they look like. So let me just put more. So it says on the website that it doesn't damage the under part. So if we're going to focus more in here, I don't see any like really bad damages except for this one, which is the first one that we did. So I guess this gauge would be the best option, because for the other portion, I didn't see any damage on the actual frame. So if you're going to push it away from you, this one gets a little bit harder to push, but it will be stronger. But if you turn it towards to you, so this will become softer and there will be less damages on the frame itself. So I find this one very useful, because at this point, if you have a lot of cracked screens on it, then it will be easier for us to actually take out the glass, right? So this would be a very good tool for me. So we could have an insertion point here. Pretty much for me, this one, I give it 5 out of 5 for this experience. This is a very useful pen. I bought 2 of them. I think this one's like $10 or $15 if I'm not mistaken, but please don't quote me about the price. Again, shout out to HCQS for this mail day session. So I have here the WL6015 and then also this one. I also ordered the wireless adhesive remover. We're going to have a different session for this tool when I have an actual phone that we could use. So this one, I'm just playing around with it because one, I don't have use for it anymore. I stripped it down already. So probably the one that I'm going to use here is just the wireless charging pad. Okay, so if you do have any questions, concerns, comments, just do it below. Again, this is your The Kabayan Tech. Thank you very much and have a good day.